What is up guys, Express here, and in this video I'll try to make a new logo for the cup noodle in 1 hour. For this challenge I only had 1 hour, so the outcome is pretty basic, but anyways, I hope you enjoy. So the first thing that I did is search some inspiration on Pinterest to really see what I'm going for, and I found an old school Japanese style that I really like and that I went for. Then normally what you should do with all logos you create is draw them on a piece of paper, but I can't really draw that great, so I went straight to an Adobe. I thought for a couple of seconds maybe I should use Illustrator, but I only have 1 hour, so Photoshop is the better option because I'm better in Photoshop and the outcome will look better. So anyways, then I began with some basic text logos in Photoshop, but nothing felt good, so I tried some Japanese text. So for the logo, I tried to look for some colors. And the colors, I have a great website for colors. If you want this website, link will be in the description. The website is just colors, super fast color scheme generator. It generates a color scheme for your design that you can use really simple. So I generated a color that I really like, and I went with the orange and black and gray. So I typed in cup to see how that looks. I thought that would look alright, and then I typed some Japanese text to put next to it. The Japanese text just says noodle. I thought that kind of fit because I wanted for that retro style. In the beginning of my idea I wanted to draw a noodle cup, but I thought that was way too hard, so I went with a more text-based logo. A logo with Japanese text. I think that is way better. I think that puts out the origin of the cup noodle in Japanese text. I think that fits really well, and I went straight from there to the logo. I gave it like an old school effect, like a bit of the grain, bit of the colors of like the 1980s, and I think that really fits. Then I put like an old school circle around it with a little effects popping out on the side. I think that fits as well, and a little star in it as well. And then so once I'm done with the logo, I think that really is a nice basic logo, but it doesn't have the cup noodle feeling to it. But anyways, I only had a couple of minutes left, so I thought we need to finish it really quick, and that's why I started to make mock-ups. Mock-ups brings out your product way better, and trying to find a noodle mock-up for like a cup noodle is really hard if you want if it wants to be free. I'm not gonna pay for a mock-up to use like in 2 seconds in the video, so I searched 20 minutes for that mock-up because my time from the logo was already done, and I thought let's search mock-up, so that's extra time that I spent on searching the mock-up. And once I found a mock-up, it wasn't even from a noodle, from a cup noodle or like noodles in general, it was from a yogurt product. Anyways, I didn't spend too much time on this mock-up. I thought let's do this real quick, and now this is the outcome. I think the outcome is alright, but I thought maybe it's really difficult to do everything in 1 hour. This time margin it's nothing at all. Maybe next time I'll do something like this, make a logo for something else, but not with an hour in mind, and just do a full-fledged video on that. But anyways, I enjoyed something like that. I'm not really good making logos. I think that's one of my things I still have to work on. But if you enjoyed something like this and maybe have another idea on a video like this, I think it was really fun. I hope you enjoyed this small little video of me creating a cup noodle logo in 1 hour, and I hope you enjoyed. So I hope you enjoyed, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.